Welcome to Crypto Vibes with your boy Lex Millie. Look at the overall crypto market today. It is looking a little bit greenish, a little bit reddish, but at the end of the day, Bitcoin is leading the way and pumping. 37,350 is where it's at right now. I'm going to dive all up in this. Talk about Luna Classic. It's up 17.2%. Not bad. Not bad. I actually sold all my Luna Classic because I just didn't like the way it was performing. Okay, and I rather put my money somewhere else. We're going to dive all up in these charts. We're going to look at the overall market, and I'm going to give you a Bitcoin price prediction at the end of this video. Before I do all that, make sure if this is the first time that you come to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. Show your boy some love. Let YouTube know I'm here, and let's get it in, y'all. So looking at the overall market right now, look at Luna Classic. It is pumping. I'm not going to lie. 19.1% today. Pretty much taking the lead. And why is that happening? I'm not really sure, guys. I'm not, I kind of gave up on Luna Classic a little bit because I just didn't like the way it was performing. And like I said, I'd rather put my money somewhere else. But let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 7.4% this week. Today it's already up 1.8%, and it's up 37.9% for the month. 37.3, guys, looking pretty solid there. If you look at that, it's definitely doing its thing. The volume is 27.80 billion, and it's looking really good, guys. I mean, like I said, ranked number one, obviously. Market cap is 728 billion, guys. It's getting close to getting to $1 trillion, which is crazy. Another one that I want to look at that's crazy is look at where is it, that FTX number 50. Look at FTX, guys. FTX, it's up big. I mean, for the month, 238%. For the week, 196%. And for the day, 72%. Guys, I don't know what's going on with FTX, but it is pumping, y'all. It's pumping like crazy. So I don't know if I really trust this. It's ranked number 50, up 18 spots, and it looks a little bit crazy, these numbers, guys. 72% for the day, 196% for the week, and 238% for the month. That's nuts. Absolutely nuts. Maybe I'll make a video about this later when I figure out what the hell's going on there. But I'm telling you guys right now, it's pumping hard. But Bitcoin is doing its thing too, which is exciting. Ethereum is over 2,100. That's awesome. XRP. It looks like the market's starting to wake up here around 11 o'clock. I want you guys to know something. The world clock. And let me see if I can get the world clock on here for you guys so you guys can see it. World clock, right? We'll just do that. World clock. All right, there you go. Bam. Let me see if I can find one that I like to use. I actually have one saved on my desktop, but there you go. Let me look at. We'll look at this one right here. Why not? Right, and you can see that right now. If you look at like Europe and Asia, they're getting ready to close their market out right now. This is actually a terrible clock. I'm gonna actually get out of this because I don't like this one. I thought I had a better one here somewhere. Let's see here, just one of the ones. There you go. All right, so as you can see, most of London and Tokyo, they're already out. And the only really market that's in right now is New York and Brazil and things of that nature. A little bit of Africa is peeking in, and London is still there, I believe, till Tokyo is about 1 o'clock right now. So they're getting ready to get out of the market. But this is all the movement that's happening right now is being caused by America, right? That's what I want you guys to look at. So, and with that being said, it's looking like a very positive movement on the day so far. It's looking very, very green, and it looks like the American market is moving. Now, keep in mind that after today, after 4:30 today, all the big market movers, which is the banks, they're out until Monday or Sunday, or should I say, right? Sunday night. So any move that you see after today, after 4:30, it's usually going to be from retailers like ourselves, just trying to get in and trying to make our money. Let's look at the charts. Bitcoin is pumping. It's pumping a little bit more again. It had that big drop yesterday, which, it's understandable. Obviously, when you have a rise like this, you can expect to, see some kind of correction, right? People are going to take their profits, obviously. And, I told you guys yesterday in the video that when I made a Bitcoin video, that we were going to hit this level right here, and we hit it, 37,895, right? And then I said, don't be surprised if you see a little bit of a pullback to about the 36K, and bam, like clockwork, guys. I mean, watch my videos. I'm on point with this, right? This by no means am I telling you to get into Bitcoin now. You should have got in last year when it was 16K, okay? At this point, if you got in here, you'd be kind of foolish. I would not long Bitcoin right here, even though the future shows that it will be going up dramatically. But don't be the sucker. If anything, buy that red candle right there, right? Buy that big dip right there, and you would already be up, right? When it went down to about 35 and some change, it's already up $2,000 from there, and that just happens yesterday, right? So always buy the red candles. Don't get into the green ones, because you will get wrecked, okay? The market liquidators will take your money. They already have it set up, right? They have it set up to where when it hits this level right here, and let me clean this out a little bit. When it hits this level right here at 38,859, which I think it could, okay? They already have it set up to sell it, okay? So just know that when it hits these all-time highs for the year, which is doing now, expect a pullback, right? It's gonna happen, right? And so now we need to see what's gonna happen from here. Is it gonna go up to 38K again, 37.8, and bounce back down? That would be like an M pattern, which would be, kind of tell us that, the up momentum is almost over. But, with the spot ETF thing going on, and if we go to let's move to the daily chart, guys, because the daily chart really gives you a clear picture, right? Look at the daily chart, guys. All right, it's a little messy because I have all my supports and resistances, but at the end of the day, 37.7, 37.8 is a good level, guys. I have this here. I don't need to have it here. I put that mark there. But the next level up on the daily is 40K. Okay, I mean, it is 40K on the daily. If you're looking long term, this is maybe next week. It could possibly go there, or it could fall back down to the 34K mark. We don't want to get under 34K because we're going to break this uptrend. And when I talk about this uptrend, let me get rid of some of these lines so it can look a little cleaner for you guys. When I talk about an uptrend, that dot right there that you're looking at, that's right there. That's January, and we were going steady up for a while, right? And we broke this right here. We broke this little upward momentum, and we fell into the zone right here that had everybody spooked out. But we came back up and joined back onto that uptrend, which is a beautiful thing. Okay, that's what we want to see. Right before the halving, right before right before Bitcoin actually explodes. This is what's happening. Okay, so in my opinion, as long as we stay above 37 and we stay above that line, and I'll get in a little bit closer because that's how we can break it down to exact numbers. I like the hour. The hour is clean to me. But if we stay on the hour, right, and we zoom in here, we'll put these little guys back up there so we can see them, because these resistances and supports are legit, right? These are real time frames from the past that are giving us these levels. This is not made up, right? These are levels that we've hit before, where we had consolidation, where it reversed on us. So in my opinion, if we can keep a positive sentiment, we could go retest this 37,895 again and see if we can break it, or we can start pulling back to possibly as low as 35k. I don't think we're going to get down to 35k, honestly, guys. But the high 35s, low 36s is possible. But looking at this right now, it looks like Bitcoin wants to stay on an upward trajectory, right? So the key level that we're looking for here is at 37,895. If we can get past 37,895, we usually, when we go through a resistance, we usually blast through it. So it would have to be a very aggressive move to 38,859 for me to think that this is going to keep going up. But just remember, the weekend is approaching. The big market movers, the banks, the mafia, they're going to want to take their money. They're going to see if they can set you up for a weekend trap. Maybe trap people right in the zone here, and then tank us, right? But as long as we stay above 35,000, we're gonna stay in the positive momentum. That's the pivot point. It's your boy Lex Millie, keeping it raw and real, giving it to you like it should be given to you. And that's where we're at, basically. Okay, guys, look for that level 37,895. If we can blast through that, then get ready to go to 38, maybe even 39, guys. That would be amazing for this week. If we can just finish off there for the week, tapping that's impressive. Okay, considering that last year this time we were at 16k. Remember that, guys. Remember that we were at 16k last year around this time, right? It's your boy Lex Millie. Hit the like and subscribe button. Show the boy some love, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.